Ever wondered how the idea for NeuBite came about? And who's the person behind the brand? Today on NeuBite TV, I want to bring on the founder of NeuBite to uncover any mysteries behind the brand. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
So, how do you say your name again?
Come on. I thought you would know. It's Azubike Akunne.
Wow, such a nice name.
Thanks. I'll let my parents know you think so.
Well, jumping right into things. So please tell us, what is NeuBite?
Well, NeuBite is a food technology company offering retail solutions to add some ease to the shopping experience.
Quick one. Why is it spelled with a U? Wouldn't that be NeuBite?
Spot on. So I spelled it that way because I came up with the name for the company in Berlin, Germany, a few years back. I attended a social entrepreneur school called the Do School. I, among 15 of my peers from around the world, participated in creating solutions for problems in our communities.
And food technology was a problem you identified?
Not exactly. I was more concerned with food accessibility. So in the United States, we have geographic areas where it's difficult to get a healthy meal. We call them food deserts. My goal is to come up with a solution to solve these problems. You know, a little quick fact, a few years back, I used to use the cargo bicycle to sell fruits and vegetables around the city of Chicago. I guess you can say it was the prototype for my business now.
So from cargo bicycle to technology company, that's a big jump.
Yeah, you can say that.
So what's NeuBite working on now?
Great question. So currently, we launched our retail automated system, for short, R.A.S, to the general public. R.A.S is simply a vending machine. The complicated version is that it's a computer-aided system that allows users to walk up to our fridge, identify themselves, take out items, and then the items retrieved will be charged to their account.
That's amazing. So from cargo bicycle to R2D2.
Wow, you love this cargo bicycle thing, don't you?
I mean, it's just fascinating how the idea is the same, yet drastically different.
Exactly. So I envision R.A.S going into office places, airports, shopping places, schools, housing estates, and existing stores and supermarkets. Even those corner stores in some of these food deserts.
How would the machine identify people?
We have a mobile application as well as POA integration on select markets.
What about the items inside? What would they be?
Well, it'll vary depending on location, of course. So commonly you'll find wraps, sandwiches, drinks, and juices inside.
Wow, I'm getting hungry just hearing you talk about it.
Me too.
So can I buy a fridge now?
Yeah, of course. Entrepreneurs, businesses, and organizations can buy and run the fridge on their own. We did some calculations, and if your sales are focused, you can make your money back in less than a month.
A month?
You know, for all these ghost food businesses out there.
Ghost foods? Like Casper?
Yeah. Ghost foods is a pseudo term used to describe food businesses operating outside of a dark location. There's no physical storefront, but they're using digital channels to sell food. Yeah, those businesses could use R.A.S and flourish.
Wow. So this is really a win-win situation.
I believe so.
Well, thanks for coming in and talking to us about your company. I wish you all the best and all the success. How can people reach out to you and find out more about R.A.S or even purchase R.A.S?
They can reach me direct at info@neubite.co.
Wonderful. Any parting words?
Yeah, join the future of retail with NeuBite. Remember, eat good, be good.
Well, there you have it, folks. The founder of NeuBite, Azubike Akunne, showing you the great product that he has to offer the society. So like he said, eat good, be good. We'll see you next time for an episode on ghost foods. All right now, thanks for tuning in to NeuBite TV. We're out.